Which Indian state launched the Startup Shakti Mission to promote women-led startups? A. Kerala. B. Rajasthan. C. Gujarat. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, B. Rajasthan. Who won the Best Actor award at the Indian National Film Awards 2025? A. Ranbir Kapoor. B. Dhanush. C. Fahad Fasil. D. Allu Arjun. Correct answer, D. Allu Arjun. Which company recently became the most valuable company in India by market capitalization? A. Reliance Industries. B. HDFC Bank. C. TCS. D. Adani Enterprises. Correct answer, A. Reliance Industries. What is India's rank in the Global Cybersecurity Index 2025 released by ITU? A. 3rd. B. 4th. C. 6th. D. 7th. Correct answer, C. 6th. Which country launched the first fully solar-powered commercial airport terminal? A. India. B. UAE. C. Japan. D. Germany. Correct answer, A. India. Who has been appointed as the new Vice President of India, 2025? A. Jagdeep Dhankar. B. Venkaiah Naidu. C. Sudha Murty. D. Gyanesh Kumar. Correct answer, D. Gyanesh Kumar. Which space agency announced the discovery of a potentially habitable exoplanet, Zeta-9? A. NASA. B. ESA. C. ISRO. D. Jaksha. Correct answer, A. NASA. Which Indian city will host the International G20 Business Summit 2025? A. Mumbai. B. Hyderabad. C. New Delhi. D. Ahmedabad. Correct answer, B. Hyderabad. Who is the current chairperson of the 16th Finance Commission of India? A. N. K. Singh. B. Arvind Panagaria. C. Rakesh Mohan. D. Urjit Patel. Correct answer, B. Arvind Panagaria. Which Indian state declared 2025 as Year of Meal-led Farmers? A. Karnataka. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Telangana. D. Chhattisgarh. Correct answer, A. Karnataka. Which country has announced a new currency reform called Green Dinar? A. Saudi Arabia. B. Iraq. C. Libya. D. Qatar. Correct answer, B. Iraq. The World Biofuel Day is observed on A. 10th August. B. 7th August. C. 15th August. D. 5th August. Correct answer, B. 7th August. Which Indian company partnered with NVIDIA to build the country's largest AI supercomputer? A. Infosys. B. Wipro. C. HCL Tech. D. Reliance Jio. Correct answer, D. Reliance Jio. Which global index ranked India 3rd in digital inclusion among developing nations? A. Digital Progress Index. B. Inclusive Digital Economy Score. C. Network Readiness Index. D. Digital Empowerment Index. Correct answer, B. Inclusive Digital Economy Score. Which Indian railway zone introduced the first hydrogen-powered train trial? A. South Central Railway. B. Western Railway. C. Northern Railway. D. East Coast Railway. Correct answer, C. Northern Railway. Which bank launched the Sashakt credit card for self-help groups? A. SBI. B. Union Bank of India. C. Bank of Baroda. D. Punjab National Bank. Correct answer, B. Union Bank of India. Which Indian athlete set a new national record in the men's javelin throw this week? A. Neeraj Chopra. B. Rohit Yadav. C. Kishore Jaina. D. Devendra Jhajria. Correct answer, C. Kishore Jaina. Which Indian metro system became the first to run 100% on renewable energy? A. Kochi Metro. B. Hyderabad Metro. C. Mumbai Metro. D. Delhi Metro. Correct answer, A. Kochi Metro. Which institute launched a national AI fellowship program for rural innovations? A. IIT Madras. B. Niti Aayog. C. IISc Bangalore. D. IIT Hyderabad. Correct answer, D. IIT Hyderabad. Which Indian state signed a MoU with Google for digital upskilling in government schools? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. D. Haryana. Correct answer, B. Andhra Pradesh.